Hey, welcome back to Beach Bumbling. We're going to the town of Rincón de Guayabitos today. Why? Why the hell not? Have you seen this place? It's quickly becoming one of our favorite places to vacation in Mexico. We'll take you for a walk through the town, we'll hit the Monday market and show you what they have for sale, and then stay to the end because we're going to have possibly the best birria that we've ever had. It was cheap and it was delicious. We begin at the market, which is about a 10-minute drive from our Airbnb in La Ciala. Let's go! This market's held once a week on Mondays at the Public Plaza in Rincón de Guayabitos. It's from 8 in the morning, I think it is, till 1 in the afternoon or until people close their booths up. I think we got here about 10:30 in the morning, but it was 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Smell the leather. Alright, coming up is the absolute worst attempt you're going to see at getting the Guayabitos sign in a video. My recommendation is that you come back on a day that's not market day. You'll have a much better, clear shot at it than what I had. But we are coming back to this area, so maybe we'll get another shot at it. Really smell the leather when you walk by those hats and stuff. There's lots of vendors here, lots of different things you can buy and look at. We realize that not everybody's into that, so we'll do a separate video just on the market itself. Today's just to kind of give you an idea of what they have there. But for now, we're going to take you for a walk through the town so you can see what's kind of going on there. We'll show you what the price of a case of beer was and a case of birria. Two things that sound the same but are completely different. They're both of my fitness regimen. Fitness in my mouth.
Bebidas?
This store sold mostly beer and alcohol. Yeah. They had some snacks and some other things, but most of the stores sell roughly the same stuff, but you're rarely going to find everything you're looking for in one store. So you may have to jump from store to find what you're looking for, or a good deal for that matter. We do like those, though. So we found this place to be a bit pricey for us, so we just walked out. We didn't buy anything here, and just kept cruising down the same street. One thing we did notice there was a lot of construction going on. Rincón de Guayabitos is a pretty cool town, whether you're going there for a day trip from Puerto Vallarta or you're staying there for any length of time. Our friends over at Avi and V are making some videos from this area as well.
They're doing some things that we're not doing, and they're fun and informative.
You're going to laugh at least once during the videos as we don't miss any of them.
So you should check them out. Definitely subscribe if you're going anywhere around Puerto Vallarta because they've spent a lot of time in this area.
Well, it should be. There's not a whole lot. There's not a really big place, right?
No.
Oh, there's the more tacos. The birria again. Alright, where's he now? Here's another birria place. If you know of a good birria place here in Rincón de Guayabitos, please leave it in the comments and I'll check it out the next time I'm there. And if you look here on the left, there's a church that we'll be showing you in the walking tour video coming up on our channel. So stay tuned for that. You want a coffee? Leave some. You good? we saw this birria place on the way in. We're gonna go back there. I'm gonna grab a couple tacos. I don't know if anybody else is, but birria tacos are some of our favorites. So we'll give this place a go. Shouldn't be too much. It's right on the street. It was about a 10-minute drive to the market from Los Ayala where we were staying. And you go to the public plaza here in Rincón de Guayabitos, and if you go just to the right of that out the front, that's the birria stand. And if you're looking for a point of reference, look for the Rincón Real. Birria is slow cooked meat. Traditionally it's goat, but this is beef, and they put spices in it, cook it forever. It just gets super tender and juicy and flavorful. Check out that chopping block. You can tell that guy's been serving a lot of birria off that. And the cheese there's Oaxaca cheese, and if you haven't had that, man, you are missing out. It's so gooey and flavorful. The combination of these two, oh my god. And that's the consomme broth. They usually give you a little bit to dip it in. We didn't get it, but I didn't think to ask for it because it was the quesadilla I had was just so juicy on its own. I realize you're making fresh tortillas there. What are you doing now?
20? No. 2. Pero 20
Yeah, what? How much for all four?
son 240.
240.
240.
240. What?
I got a 50.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Alright, stopped at a taco place on the side of the road here in Guayabitos. Got a birria taco. It's delicious, man. Oh, get it dripping out the bottom. That's where you want it. I put some hot sauce on it. It's pretty freaking hot. How much does it cost? 60 pesos a piece?
Yeah.
60 pesos a piece. So I'll put the Canadian equivalent at the bottom. But yeah, this is pretty good. I might come back here in a day or two and have another one. Or two. We'll try something different. What else has he got here? Tacos?
We got design.
Queso birria.
Queso birria?
Queso
Yeah,
birria.
queso birria. I would get one. If you're in the Guayabitos, come see this guy. Definitely worth a stop. Alright, so this is Al. He doesn't really like Mexican food too much, but what do you think of this birria?
First time trying this, I would try it again.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Yeah, Kim?
Good stuff.
These guys don't really like Mexican food a whole lot, but we're bringing them around.
Oh, yeah.
I got birria grease on my lens. So we're going to spare you the footage of me licking my GoPro lens, getting the birria grease off of it because I didn't want to waste it. And we're going to call it a day. Next week, tune in and we'll finish the tour of Rincón de Guayabitos. We're going to hit a bar. We'll show you what the happy hour prices were, and we'll go for a beach walk. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up below, subscribe to Avi and V while you're at it, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you, and we answer all of them. We hope you got something from this video. Until next time, cheers. Oh, what to do. Probably got lots of stuff you should be doing today, but you're already in front of the screen, so why not watch another one? Cheers.